Right. Good morning, all of you. Right. Today is also a new day. Today we are going to learn another new lesson, algebraic expression. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, algebraic expressions. Right? You have heard this algebraic expressions. Right. Now let's learn what is algebraic expressions means. Right. Now earlier, as I told you, 5 is a known term. No, 5 is a known term. Here I have 5 rupees. Here known terms, and this one constant. Right. But I have x rupees. This is unknown term. And also this is algebraic term. We can say this is algebraic term. Known term and algebraic term. The new word algebraic term. I have x rupees. You can't decide what is x means. Then x plus 5. Here this is unknown term. This is known term. When adding unknown term and known term, this we call algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Here when known term, unknown term and known term are there, it is algebraic expression. Now you know what is algebraic expressions means. For example 2x minus 1 is algebraic expression. Then x upon 2 is algebraic 1. Then 2x upon 5 plus 1 is algebraic expression. Then 5 times 2x minus 1 is algebraic expression. Then 5 times a plus 1 divided by 3. We need this when we learn the algebraic fractions also. We need this knowledge, right? These are algebraic expressions. Right? Okay. Then here. Okay, right. Then look at this. They have given then 2x plus 4. Is this algebraic expression? Yes, this is algebraic expression. 2x plus 4 and factorize. It's not simplify. Factorize. Right, factorize here. Now we learn this factorize lesson next time. Factorize. Then 2x plus 4. You know, then the constant is, known term is 2 and 4. No? When factorize is, this is algebraic expression. No? When simplify these, 2 terms are there. 2x is 1 term, 4 is 1 term. 2 terms are there. Then when 2x, when simplify this, 2 and 4. Here the known term is 2 and 4. No? Then 2 and 4 is multiply of 2. No? Then 2, when expand form, 2 into 1 into x. Then 4 I can write 2 into 2, no? Because both one are multiplies of 2. Then here these 2 terms, here you can see the 2 is common both of them. Then 2 can write front 2 and brackets because 2 is common both of them. Then this term divide by 2, here the common one. When 2 into 1 into x divided by 2, you 2 to 2 cancel, then remain 1x. Here 1x. Here plus, then this term divide by 2, because 2 into 2 divided by 2. Then 2 to 2 cancel, remain 2. Here this is the answer. When here brackets for 2 times 1x plus 2. Here when simplify this. Understand? Right. Another one. Here this is very important one. Right. Simplify 3x minus 2a. Here can you see this? This is algebraic expression of 2 terms are there. Then known term 3 and 2a. Tell me 3 and 2a. What's the relation 3 and 2a? Yes, both of them are multiplies of 3. No? Then 3 can write 3 into 1 into x. 12 can write 3 into 4. No? 12 can write 3 into 4. Now 3 is common. When 3 is common, 3 and bracket. Then this divide by 3. Then 3 into 1 into x divided by 3. 3 to 3 cancel, 1x remain. No need to write 1x. then minus 3 into 4 divided by 3, then 3 to 3 cancel, 4 remain. Understand? This is the final answer, 3 times x minus 4. 3 times x minus 4. Right. Another example, another example. 6b plus 9a. Here is this algebraic expression. Yes, algebraic expression. Two terms are there. Then 6 and 9 long term. What is the relation 6 and 9? Yes, both of them are multiplies of 3, no? Division by 3. Then 6 I can write 3 into 2 into b, plus 9 I can write 3 into 3 into a, right? Now you can see 3 is common, no? Both of them. If 3 is common, 3 can write front, then this divide by 3, then 3 to 3 cancel, 2b, here 2b. No need to write multiplication, 2b, plus this term divide by this, 3 to 3 cancel, 3a. Understand? Right, this is the final answer. Here, now we have written second step. Now let's write without writing second step. Now whether you understand like this here. 16a plus 20. Here algebraic expression, two terms, here 16 and 20. What is the common term of 16 and 20? What is the multiplies of this 16 and 20? Yes, these are multiplies of 4, no? Division by 4. Then the common is 4. The fourth one divided by 4. The common is 4. Then 16a divided by 4, 4a. Plus 20 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4, 5. This is the final answer. Understand without writing the second step. Right, another one. 5a plus 15b minus 20. Now 3 terms are there now. Here in this example, 3 terms are there. Then 5, 15, 20. Right, tell me 5, 15, 20. What is the common term? What is the common term of this all? Yes, very good. 5 is the common, no? Then 5 common, bracket 5a divided by 5 to 5 cancel, a remain, plus 15b divided by 5, 15 divided by 5, 3b, minus 20 divided by 5, 4. This is the final answer. Understand? Another one. 6ab minus 12a. Right? Look. There are 2 terms here, 6 and 12. Then 6 and 12. Then what is the common term of 6 and 12? Yes, multiplies of 6. But what about multiplies of 2? No, both one divided by 2. No, and also both one divided by 3. But you should take the highest value. The highest one is both of them multiplies divided by 6. Then both one common term is 6. Only 6. You can see a is also common. A is common. Then 6a is common. Then 6ab divided by 6a, 6 to 6 cancel, a to a cancel, b remain. Minus 12a divided by 6a, a to a cancel, 12 divided by 6, 2. Understand? Right, very good. Then another example. X squared plus 2x. Here 2 terms are there. Then you know x squared means x into x. Plus 2x, 2 into x. But what is the common? X is common now. When x squared divided by x squared means x into x divided by x. Now x to x cancel, remain x. Plus 2x divided by x to x cancel, 2. Here. This is the final answer. Understand? Right, okay. Then another one. ABC plus BCD plus BCZ. Here, look at these 3 terms are there. What is the common tone of this? B common and C also common, no? Then BC is a common term. Brackets. ABC divided by BC, B to cancel, C to C cancel, A remain. Plus BCD divided by BC, B to B cancel, C to C cancel, D. Plus BC Z divided by BC, B to B cancel, C to C cancel, remain Z. Understand? Right, very good. I think we will understand this. Sometimes, remember this, sometimes A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, Z. Sometimes two terms are there, A, B, C. All one common, no? A, B, C. Then A, B, C, D divided by A, B, C, D remain. Plus A, B, C, Z divided by A, B, C, Z remain. Understand? Understand? Right. Another final last one, no? When 4x plus 4. Right. Two terms are there. 4 is common. When 4x divided by 4x plus 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. You should write 1, no? You should divide by 1, right? Then here, look this example, they ask 4 times x plus 1, simplify. And remove brackets, simplify. Remove brackets, here, now you put brackets. Now remove brackets. Now next you should learn how to simplify this, remove brackets. Here now x plus 1 is an algebraic expression, no? 4 is a constant. Now here this 4 you should multiply both of them. When 4 multiply x and 4 should multiply 1. Then 4 into x, I told you earlier, 4 into x. When 4 into x you should learn, when 4 multiply x, 4x, right? When x multiply x, x squared, right? When 2a multiply 2a, when 2a multiply 2a, 2 into 2, 4, a into a squared, then minus plus minus, minus 4 squared, right? Minus 3 into a, minus 3a. You should know this, huh? Right. Now 4 into x, when multiply 4x. 4 into 1, 4. The sign plus plus plus. Then 4x plus 4. How to remove the brackets, right? Here they have come. Right, another one, 3a minus 2b. Here simplify when brackets are there, right? When how simplify this? Right, how simplify this? Then 3 common is 3. Now 3 should multiply, when 3 multiplied by a, 3a. Then when 3 multiply 2b, 3 into 2b, 6b. Sign plus minus, when multiplication plus minus minus. Understand? Right. Another one. Here, when x into x plus 2, here brackets, remove brackets. Then x should multiply by x should multiply by 2. When x into x, x squared plus x into 2, 2x. This is the final answer. Another one. A plus B plus C. Look at this. This is algebraic expression multiplied by A. When A multiply A is squared. When A into B, AB plus plus plus. A into C, AC plus plus plus. This is the final answer. Right, next one, minus 2 into x plus 2. Here, multiply by minus 2. When minus 2 multiply x, minus 2x. 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 4. Sign minus plus, minus plus minus. This is the final answer. Understand? Understand? Right, okay. Then, here another one. Another example, remove brackets. Right. Then 2 times x plus 1 plus 3 times x minus 3. Here, look at this. 2 brackets are there. Right. First x plus 1 multiplied by 2. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into 1, 2. Right. Plus 3 into x, 3x. Plus plus plus. When 3 into 3, 9. Plus minus minus. Now you can see 4 terms are there. 2x and 3x is like terms, no? I have taught you earlier, plus 2 and minus 9 is a like terms. This is plus 2x plus 3x, same direction, add 5x. 2 and 9 is a like terms, subtract 9 minus 2 minus 7. Understand? Understand? Right. This is how to remove brackets. Right, I think you will understand this and do this homework at home. Right, first one, factorize 3x plus 9. Second one, x squared plus 2x. Third one, 9x plus 15. Fourth one, 6x squared plus 3xy. Fifth one, 6xy plus 3xz minus 9. Fifth one. Sixth one, x squared minus 2xy. Seventh one, five x plus 20z minus 15. Seventh one. Right, okay. Did you write this? Right, okay. Then second one, remove brackets, simplify. First one, 3 times x minus 1. Second one, minus 2 a plus b. Third one, 5 into 2x plus 1. Fourth one, minus 2 into 2a plus 2b minus 1. Fifth one, x into x plus 2b. Sixth one, 2 times x plus 1 plus 3 times a plus b. Right? Enough. Right, copy down this. Right, okay, finish. Right, today we discuss about algebraic expression. Right, algebraic expression. Now I think you will understand and do this exercise at home. Right, okay, today let's finish the lesson. Let's meet another day. Till then, goodbye all of you. I go on.